Today we are going to make a popular street food of India known as ragda patties. Ragda is a curry made with dried white peas and patties are small cutlets made with potato. In this video, first I am going to show how to make the ragda and then I am going to show how to make the patties and finally I am going to show how to assemble them together for serving. So let us start by taking a look at the ingredients for ragda. For ragda you will need white peas which have been soaked in water for about 5 to 6 hours, red chili powder by your taste, salt by taste, garam masala 3 teaspoons, 1 onion that I have chopped into big pieces, ginger about 1 to 1.5 inches big piece, 4 to 5 big garlic cloves and 1 tomato which I have also chopped into big pieces. And besides you will also need 4 teaspoons of oil for making ragda. First drain out all the water from the peas that was used for soaking it, and the reason for doing this is that helps to make the white peas easy for digestion. So we are now adding fresh water instead, about 1.5 cups. Also add some salt. Now cook these white peas in a pressure cooker for 3 whistles. After 3 whistles reduce the flame to low and keep it on for 20 to 25 minutes and then turn off the gas. While the chickpeas are getting cooked, we are going to make the gravy. I am going to grind the onions, ginger, tomatoes and garlic in a grinder jar and make a fine paste. Keep this gravy aside for some time. Remove the white peas from the pressure cooker once the pressure has released. Heat 4 teaspoons of oil. Add all the gravy that we just prepared. Also add garam masala. Mix everything together. Keep the flame on medium and keep turning this gravy. We have to stir fry it nicely for about 2 to 3 minutes till it becomes darker in color and some oil starts releasing along the edges. When this happens, add the cooked peas, mix everything and allow it to boil. Now turn off the gas. Our ragda is now ready. For making patties, we will need 5 big potatoes boiled and peeled, salt by taste, red chili powder by taste, all-purpose flour 2.5 tablespoons and some oil for shallow frying. First mash all the potatoes, then add salt, red chili powder and all-purpose flour and mix everything nicely. Take a small portion at a time, about 2 inches big, or you can keep the size according to your choice. Make it into a round and then flatten it to shape it like a patties. Repeat with the rest of the potato mixture and all these patties are now ready. Now for shallow frying all these patties, add little oil in the center of a griddle. Keep the flame on medium and keep a few patties, as many as can fit inside this oil. When you see little browning along the edges, turn them over to the other side. Continue to shallow fry till the lower side also becomes golden brown in color. And when they are done, slightly slide them towards the edge of the griddle so that the excess oil flows back to the center of the griddle. Add more oil for the next batch of patties and shallow fry the next batch till they are golden brown on both sides. And now you can remove the first batch of the patties from the griddle. So in this way the patties is also now ready. Besides the ragda and the patties that we prepared, you will need these things when serving ragda patties. Some finely chopped onion, finely chopped tomatoes, sweet tamarind or date chutney, green coriander or mint chutney and some save to sprinkle. When serving, start with 2 patties in a plate. Add ragda on top of each. and also some more along the sides so that the patties are completely covered. Add chopped onion, chopped tomatoes, some sweet tamarind chutney or date chutney, and some green chutney. You can always alter the quantity of the chutney that you want to add according to your taste. Sprinkle with some save, and this delicious ragda patties is now ready to serve. Hope you try making this delicious chaat recipe at home. Remember to post any questions or comments and also subscribe and like. Thank you.